So for day 8, I'm doing the 5th Harry Potter cover. So like before, I just, set out 3 of the book covers to print, so that way I don't waste paper. And then I'm just going to print them out. They measure about 3.5 by 5, just to measure whatever wood you put it on so you know how big you need to make it. I would suggest making it a little bigger so it kind of folds over the sides, because as you'll see later, mine kind of has wood on the side, which isn't perfect, but I'm going to take it anyway, So I'm going to trim the excess paper away from the book cover. I just grab one of my rectangles and I cover it with Mod Podge, just a thin layer. Then I just put the paper on top of the rectangle, and I'm going to put Mod Podge on top of that as well. I also like to use one of the other pieces of wood to just help flatten it so there aren't any bumps. Just scrape over it basically. I use a foam brush to put Mod Podge on top of all of it. And don't forget the sides, because then you can just curve the book cover around it so it's not sticking out and weird. Don't forget to use a needle or a pin to stick through the hole for where your fishing wire or fishing line can go through. I do it on both sides and just kind of wiggle it around. Funny fact, I'm pretty sure this is the most hated among the Harry Potter books, and what's funny is I heard a rumor that J.K. Rowling's, editor didn't really, take back a lot of things, so that's probably why. Anyway, he is an emo hot mess, but he's grieving. But yeah, this book was pretty sad, the whole thing. I measured out 10 inches of fishing line, and then I just folded it in half, and I stick both ends through the front side into the hole, and then I'm just going to get a little bit of hot glue and then smush it down using some plastic, just so it'll make the fishing line flat and stay better.